In this episode, we're going to blue the Winchester Model 94 that we polished previously, and I'm going to go through the process required to do the bluing. Now, I have three things that we're going to blue: the barrel and the action, the lever, and then finally the lower tube, ammunition tube. These are large components, and I can blue these in my large tank. We'll do the smaller components later in a smaller jar or smaller dish. But for today, we're going to do the bluing on the larger components. Now, for those of you that are looking for a more detailed process, come on over to my Patreon site. For the $5 level, I'm going to put up some more detailed videos explaining the exact process, the chemicals that I use, and detailing the step-by-step method that I use for putting this restoration bluing on these firearms. This turned out really well. I'm really happy with this. My Patreon page is live. I have 4 folks over there now. At the $5 level, I'm doing more detailed discussions about all of this, the polishing and the bluing. And as soon as I get this one made up, there'll be a more detailed discussion about the bluing over there on Patreon. That'll be a members exclusive video, so if you're interested in learning more about this stuff, come on over to Patreon, join up, join the shop, and you'll have access to these videos as well. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We got more stuff just like this coming. Ring the bell so you get notified the next time I post a video. You guys, thanks for watching.